Hey y'all, my name is Gregory Agid. Welcome to my channel. If you love jazz, clarinet, improvisation, or just the magic of music, you're in the right place. I've been a working musician for the last 20 years, and I want to share my knowledge and experience to help you on your journey. Here, you'll find everything from practical clarinet lessons, jazz improvisation tips, backstage vlogs, and even real stories from my life as a musician. I've done everything from playing clubs, house parties, international jazz festivals, recording albums, TV appearances, starting my own nonprofit, teaching, and touring the world with pop stars. Whether you're picking up the clarinet for the first time, digging deeper into jazz, or just love seeing the behind the scenes of a musician's life, this space is for you. Music is all about connection. Connection with ourselves, connection with tradition, and connection with each other. That's why I'm creating this exclusive online community where we can dive even deeper with bonus lessons, practice tips, live masterclasses, even more exclusive behind-the-scenes footage, and one-on-one lessons. If you're ready to take your playing to the next level, I'd love for you to join us. Register today. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you all later. Peace.